like every time we talked to him and had an idea, he had a vision of what that idea would look like in real life. The first person that came to the house to do the demo was Elias. He just made me at ease to like, hey, if I'm not home, I feel comfortable letting him in and finish the job if I'm not around.
3 days for the walls and then 2 days, or 1 day for the floor. The floor was about 80 square feet just in the pan. All of those walls and all that floor all is full of mud. It's all floated in mud. It's paper, wire, scratch coat, and then the final brown coat.
When it comes to doing his job, Manny is a magician. It was amazing watching him work. He was awesome to watch work because he's super cool as a person, real friendly, and like he's able to talk to. And
because the windows, you have a lot of hard lines, so you want to get good cuts all the way around.
Gives good suggestions and explains the process the entire way, and he was great. And watching him work was actually a privilege because he was really awesome.
That tile, the 12 by 24, being on the floor is kind of unique. It's a custom, and then when you put an envelope on it, you want to follow the layout. So the floor starts the layout on the walls.
He's real personable. He's real knowledgeable, and made everything seem like it wasn't going to be like you hear from most contractors, like a pain in the butt. And so he found like an antique brass vent cover. He found an antique brass drain. He found an antique brass bathtub drain. We were looking for a fixture. He said he called like 14 or 15 different fixture places, and he said nobody has what we wanted in an antique brass. What Joey ended up doing is he found this place in LA that does plating, and he sent all the hardware that was like a nickel finish to get plated in the antique brass. So it came out really sharp. Joey was awesome. I don't think there was ever a time where I texted him or called him and he didn't call me back either immediately or the following morning.
But when we do something extra custom and extra unique, it's almost like it is something that I will always remember, and I will always remember more details of it.
Oh, we love it. I mean, it came out great. The bathroom looks beautiful. It's better than I thought it was going to be, honestly. Some of the ideas that Joey steered us away from, I'm so glad that he did, because it just makes it look so much better.
Him telling me his vision for the bathroom, and it was really cool just seeing it into life, us collaborating, working together, him giving me his ideas, me giving him my ideas, and the end product is awesome.
It's
wow.
So awesome. It's one of the best ones I've done in a long time, so I'm happy to be working with Gold Coast.